everybody, and today's video is an IKEA haul. So we've literally just got back from IKEA. We've literally been back about 10 minutes. I'm a little bit out of breath, and as you can tell by the light outside, it is 4:30 and the sun is just starting to go down, so it's really bright, so it's coming in and out, as you can see by the wall behind me. So today in IKEA we spent a grand total of £65. 20 of that was for a present my mum's getting me for Christmas, so I'm not actually going to show you because I'm giving it to my mum and I'm not technically got it yet. So I've got my receipts for all of the names and the prices, so hopefully I will remember to keep doing that throughout. I'll even put it on my tripod there so I remember. No, I won't, because it's not going to go on there. Right. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the last thing we actually picked up, and it is... oh, I really like this. I've been after one of these for ages to go in our living room, and it is just a blue vase. I wouldn't quite put flowers in there, maybe just like a decorative piece, but because it's blue it goes really well in our living room. This was £12, and it is like a dark blue kind of colour. Can you really see? It's like bluey grey. I know it's really hard to show because obviously it's glass and it's actually see-through. So yes, I was going to get the smaller £6 one, but when you go into store and you actually see the size of them compared to the pictures online, they're completely different. So this was the better size one, and yes, it was £6 more than the original one I was going to get. So we got another one of these. We already have one of these. It was a housewarming gift for my sister when we first moved in, and we currently have it on the window ledge in the kitchen, and I thought it'd be nice to move it just to one side and have another one at the other side. So in here we put tea lights. I actually use the battery operated ones, so it's not a fire hazard. This was £2.50 and it is the Rotara. I don't know, it's Swedish. I don't know how you pronounce it. So this is kind of a disaster to show you because Anthony has packed it sideways in the bag, and it's a plant, so it's gone everywhere. So this is a little aloe vera plant, and this is also to go on the kitchen windowsill. We already have a plant pot in there, but it's quite small and it's by itself, it didn't have anything in it. So mud is going everywhere now. So I thought an aloe vera plant might be quite cool to have, and obviously it'll be, oh, they're squishy. They're just nice to look at, aren't they? As well as, obviously you could do lots of stuff with it. So if you ever need it, if I ever run out of body lotion after a shower, just cut one of these open. Yeah, that was my thinking at the time. And that was not much money either. So the aloe vera was actually £3, so that's really good. As we've done plants, I'm going to stick with plants. We got another 2. So Anthony has put these all in sideways and they've all gone everywhere. So this plant, which is the, I don't know, because he's put it in this plant pot and it's not the one that's going in this plant pot, so I somehow got to get it out. Oh, okay. So this plant is, I've somehow got to find the price. Oh, it's a £3 plant, and the plant pot is one of the, oh, it's a big one into, oh, is it 40p? I don't know. I don't know. £1.25. Yes. The plant pot is £1.25, and this plant is, this one's a real one as well. This is going in the living room on the shelving unit that I've just bought, which I'll show you in a minute. So yeah, I really like that. It's not going in this plant pot like I've just said. What's going in this plant pot will actually be this plant. And this plant is a fake plant, so if I take it out, that is literally all it is. So this one is going in the bigger plant pot, and the bigger plant is going in the 40p smaller one. I somehow have to figure that out, unless put the real one in the bathroom and this one in the living room, because that might work out better then. See, I don't even know. This one is the fake plant, and this is the Fedka. The Fedka is £6. So this, the artificial one, is £6. But yeah, that sits quite nicely, that plant pot. So they are the 3 plants that I've bought. Now, like I said, the main thing I'm planning was the shelving unit. So there it is. There's mud all over this stuff now. We have got a picture ledge. This is the mascara. I don't know. These are the £5 smaller ones, but we got 2. So they will be on different like levels. And to go on top of them, we bought 2 photo frames. Excuse the mud. These were both £1.25 each, and they're both in the 21 by 30 centimetres, and I've already got pictures for them. So these are just going to go on each shelf, different heights and that, so that'll look quite good I think. I can't wait, I'm going to do all this later tonight. And the last thing is a couple of block pillow candles, and these are for the lanterns that I'm going to have for Christmas that I've not yet got. Yeah, you get me. The bigger one, this is the 20 centimetres, this was £1.75, and this, the 15 centimetres, was 99p. Yes, with the IKEA family card. That's that. I keep getting messages, sorry about that. So that is it for this haul. I will be doing a styling video in a couple of weeks for a few of these things, so you can see how I end up decorating them and what I do with them. So yes, that is it for this week, and I'll see you next week for a brand new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.